Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make the Boobawamba or darkness effect in Geometry Dash. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to of course customize your design the way you want to. Now to make this effect pop up, I'm going to change this into something like this specific background right here. And then I'm going to change the background color into something like green. Now that we have this set up, I'm then going to change my mode into something like this one so my character can move freely. And then of course you want to navigate through the build option. In here you then want to select triggers. And basically inside this page you want to find the lens circle option. You want to place this where your character will spawn. In our case it's going to be this one. And as you can see, you will be able to already see the effect right here. So just click on the edit object, and the most important one on this page is going to be the size. Now if you increase this into something like this one, it will only make it less dark. So you can adjust this by dropping down the slider, and in my case I'm fine with this one. And then for the center ID, of course, let's select player 1, and for the easing you can then select this to wherever you want to. In my case I'm fine with this specific option, so let's just click on the OK button. And then I'm going to hit play, and basically from there we have obtained or got the darkness effect on Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.